Every drop of breast milk is valuable, and storing it properly helps protect the nutrients and antibodies your baby needs. Whether you're pumping occasionally or building a freezer stash, following safe storage guidelines can keep your milk fresh and reduce the risk of contamination. In this video from Pump with Isabella, you'll learn exactly how to store breast milk according to current CDC recommendations. Freshly expressed breast milk can stay at room temperature, up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius, for as long as 4 hours. If your room is especially warm, it's best to refrigerate the milk as soon as possible. The sooner you cool it, the better its quality will be preserved. In the refrigerator, breast milk can be safely stored for up to 4 days. Place it toward the back of the refrigerator where the temperature stays most consistent, rather than in the door where temperatures fluctuate every time it opens. For longer storage, freezing is an excellent option. Breast milk can remain in a standard freezer compartment inside a refrigerator for about 2 weeks. In a freezer with a separate door, it's best used within 6 months, although storing it for up to 12 months is acceptable. Earlier use helps preserve more nutrients and provides the best quality for your baby. Always store milk in clean, food-grade containers or breast milk storage bags designed specifically for freezing. Avoid disposable bottle liners or regular plastic bags, as they are not intended for long-term milk storage and may leak or tear. Label every container with the date the milk was expressed. If your baby attends daycare or stays with another caregiver, include your baby's name as well. Use the oldest milk first to minimize waste and ensure you're rotating your stored supply effectively. When adding freshly pumped milk to refrigerated milk, cool the new milk in the refrigerator before combining it. Adding warm milk directly to cold or frozen milk can partially thaw the stored milk and increase bacterial growth. To thaw frozen breast milk, place it in the refrigerator overnight or hold the sealed container under cool running water, gradually changing to warm water. Never thaw breast milk on the countertop, and avoid using boiling water because excessive heat can destroy valuable nutrients. After thawing, gently swirl the milk to mix the separated fat back in. Avoid vigorous shaking, which may damage some of the beneficial components. Once thawed, breast milk should be used within 24 hours if kept refrigerated. If warmed for feeding, it should be used within 2 hours. Never refreeze breast milk after it has been thawed. If your baby doesn't finish a bottle, the remaining milk can generally be offered again within 2 hours after the feeding begins. After that, any leftover milk should be discarded to reduce the risk of bacterial contamination. One helpful tip is to freeze milk in small portions, such as 2 to 4 ounces. Smaller amounts thaw more quickly and reduce waste if your baby doesn't need a full bottle. Safe storage isn't complicated, but following these simple habits helps ensure your baby receives breast milk that's as nutritious and safe as possible. By labeling, cooling, freezing, thawing, and handling milk correctly, you can confidently build a milk stash while protecting every precious ounce. Thank you for watching Pump with Isabella. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe for more evidence-based breastfeeding tips, pumping advice, and newborn feeding support to make your breastfeeding journey a little easier every day.